Welcome back. Today we are looking at the wegear PIXIU 98 mechanical gaming keyboard with mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable review. Mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable models have become the gold standard for gamers, programmers, and productivity users in 2026, and the wegear PIXIU 98 mechanical gaming keyboard stands out as a premium contender in this crowded space. Designed with Cherry MX2A Red switches, tri-mode wireless connectivity, an 8 kHz polling rate, and a gasket-mounted structure, this keyboard is engineered for ultra-smooth performance and long-lasting comfort. Check the video description for the updated price link. What makes this keyboard especially attractive is its balance between enthusiast-level customization and plug-and-play usability. Whether you are a competitive gamer needing ultra-fast response time or a writer seeking a satisfying typing experience, this keyboard aims to deliver both worlds without compromise. The wegear PIXIU 98 is packed with high-end features that put it ahead of many competitors in the mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable category. At its core, it is built for speed, flexibility, and durability. One of its standout features is the 8 kHz polling rate, which ensures near-instant response times. This is especially important for esports gamers who need every millisecond advantage. Combined with Cherry MX2A Red switches, the keyboard delivers a smooth linear feel with minimal resistance, making fast key presses effortless. The tri-mode connectivity allows users to switch between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C mode. This makes it extremely versatile for PC, Mac, laptops, and even tablets. The hot-swappable PCB allows you to change switches without soldering, giving you full customization freedom. Additionally, the keyboard features a gasket-mounted structure that improves typing acoustics and reduces vibration. This creates a softer, more refined typing experience that is highly appreciated by enthusiasts. The design of the wegear PIXIU 98 is modern, compact, and highly functional. With a 95-key layout, it strikes the perfect balance between a full-size keyboard and a space-saving design. This makes it ideal for both gaming setups and professional workstations. The use of PBT keycaps ensures durability and resistance to shine over time. Unlike cheaper ABS keycaps, PBT material maintains its texture even after long-term heavy use. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, allowing users to personalize their setup with multiple lighting effects. The inclusion of a multifunctional knob adds extra usability. Users can easily control volume, brightness, or custom functions depending on software settings. This small but powerful addition significantly enhances daily convenience. When it comes to real-world performance, the wegear PIXIU 98 truly shines. The 8K polling rate ensures ultra-responsive input detection, making it suitable for competitive gaming genres like FPS, MOBA, and racing games. The Cherry MX2A Red switches provide a smooth and linear keystroke without tactile bumps, which is perfect for rapid key repetition. Combined with the gasket mount structure, typing feels cushioned yet precise. During gaming sessions, latency is virtually unnoticeable in 2.4 GHz mode. Even in wireless mode, the connection remains stable and reliable. This makes it a strong competitor against many wired-only mechanical keyboards in the same price range. The tri-mode connectivity system is one of the strongest advantages of this keyboard. Users can switch between Bluetooth mode for mobile and multi-device pairing, 2.4 GHz wireless mode for low-latency gaming, wired USB-C mode for zero-latency performance. This flexibility makes it ideal for hybrid users who switch between work and gaming setups. The battery life is optimized for long usage sessions, especially when RGB lighting is adjusted to lower brightness or turned off. Switching between modes is quick and seamless, making it highly practical for users who multitask across multiple devices daily. Check the link in the description to get yours today.